Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Secretary kaseng BJP Urituraj Sinha hagajan mit jongkala sngi ublay ulapan bana ba kaseng BJP kan penyeng na baro anriu pautiliki constituency hakani ke election kabanwan ya kani Sinha ulapan bana hakaji kendo berkinong thok khubor ha office jong kaseng ulong kaseng kalayo e gajing kershan ka baklan ni kipat ba bat bon ni kipat ba ki bapen pau ke jing terang ban penyaso bat kaseng ha kani kesi ki lapalat pat ba ru e gajing penrung kerteng ban penyaso bat kaseng ha ka ba udan jikerman bada ki lakmut ki samla ki nong rap bat ki we kinwan ban ai jing kershan ke BJP ha ka jela re thu ru ba ka phang jong ni ke jing penrung kerteng ka dei Modi na ka Bynta ka Roy ka par bat BJP na ka Bynta ka Meghalaya ne Modi for development bat BJP for Meghalaya.
We are preparing to contest elections in all 60 assembly constituencies of Meghalaya state. We are finding tremendous response, tremendous support from the people of Meghalaya. Many people during our campaigns have said that they want to become BJP member. They want to associate with BJP officially. And taking care of their sentiment in response to the sentiment of the people of Meghalaya. Today, I am proud with my state president, Shri Arnes Mauriji, and my state Prabhari, Chuba Auji, to announce BJP membership drive in Meghalaya with the slogan, Modi for development, BJP for Meghalaya. Modi for development, BJP for Meghalaya is our tagline, and today we are launching this membership drive. Membership drive is a completely digital process. You need to dial from your mobile phone or your landline phone a simple number you need to give missed call to. The number is 836 000 6060. I'll repeat 836 000 6060. If you give a missed call to this number, we will start a process of you joining the BJP in Meghalaya. It's a simple process. I know that lakhs and lakhs of youth, women, village folk, farmers, young educated professionals, doctors and lawyers, people from all walks of life would come out to support Prime Minister Modi and show him that Meghalaya today is ready to welcome Kamal Chhap, Lotus symbol and the leadership of Prime Minister Modi.